The prices of SMP butter and ghee are moving up. The price of milk in most parts of the country is also going up. In North, the milk availability has become difficult and prices have gone up to Rs 45 per litre for buffalo milk. In Maharashtra, the prices have increased to 24 to 26 rupees delivered at plant by the private sector for cow milk. The dairy commodities have shown an increase of 10 to 20% in the last 10 days. Ghee is leading the race by touching Rs 350 to 360 per kg from a level of 280 to 290 early last week. SMP prices have also increased by around 10 to 15% to Rs 190 to 200 per kg from Rs 160 to 170 per kg in the last week. Butter prices has also moved up from 230 to 250, 260 per kg. This has boosted the confidence of all the stakeholders in dairy sector again. The industry is quoting three key reasons for such change in prices. First, lower milk availability. Second, outset of festive season. And third, execution of a few large orders in exports as well as in the domestic market at higher prices. The ongoing rally of commodity prices and three-point rationale looks fine provided we ignore the existing stocks of ghee, butter and SMP in the country. Let us examine this upward trend under two different types of lenses. These two lenses are stocks of dairy commodities in India and poor milk availability in the country. If we look at this scenario from the existing stocks perspective, then this upward trend doesn't look very promising and might not sustain. Looking at it from the poor milk availability perspective ensures the rise in commodity prices might sustain the festive season. Grocery delivery firm Milk Basket has taken ahead its plan to launch initial public offer IPO by the second half of 2021. As the business during the recent months in the wake of the novel coronavirus pandemic registered robust growth, said a top executive at the firm. Co-founder and CEO of Milk Basket, Anant Goel, told PTI that they could target their IPO launch in just a year. This would be owing to consumers' fast acceptance to at-home grocery delivery service given the pandemic situation. The situation demands of adhering to social distancing norms as well as avoiding unnecessary movement. Milk Basket has a near perfect record of reaching growth targets since being founded in 2015. The rapid adoption of at-home grocery delivery amongst consumers due to the pandemic has provided us with an impetus to target IPO in just a year, which we had initially planned for the year 2023, he said. We are now working on the process for an IPO. The company is looking at possibly second half next year to launch the IPO. Initially being an Indian company, the thought process is to get listed in India. The reports of Milk Basket being in talks to sell the company's business to Paytm Mall and RIL are untrue. Parag Milk Foods Limited launched Pride of Cows single origin ghee made from Pride of Cows milk on August 31st. Parag is a leading dairy FMCG company with popular brands like Govardhan, Go, Pride of Cows and Avatar. Pride of Cows single origin ghee is made to achieve the perfect balance of aroma and smooth texture. It is being done to ensure so that consumer experience all the goodness of ghee. Single origin makes this ghee differentiated from all other ghee in the market. The company is confident that their consumer will enjoy the natural flavor of this premium quality ghee. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Devendra Shah, Chairman Parag Milk Food Limited said, Pride of Cows forays into the branded ghee market is a natural extension of the premium category in our dairy portfolio. It is yet another step towards consolidating our position as a leader in the farm-to-home dairy concept. Palanpur-based Banas Dairy opened its first Bio-CNG refueling outlet last week after it began generating Bio-CNG from dung. The dairy has begun selling this CNG at Rs 50 a kg. This price is lower than the prevailing market rate for the fuel. The first Bio-CNG outlet became operational last week. The Banas Dairy procures milk from these villages and has an idea of number of cattle each farmer owns. In the morning, tractors equipped with weighing scales visit each farmer and collect cow dung at a rate of Rs 1 per kg after weighing them. These tractors make 14 to 15 trips daily to the biogas plant. The money is transferred to their bank accounts in 15 days. It is like the same way we do it for the milk procured from them. They are also researching to see if tractors could be run using this CNG. This could turn out to be a boon for this region where the main source of income is agriculture. Mother Dairy just announced its latest campaign for its brand of packaged paneer. The campaign has been launched with a specific purpose to position the leading dairy brand's packaged paneer as a hygienic alternative to the unpacked loose variant sold in the unorganized market. The biggest among them is the low barriers to entry in the category. The paneer market in India was valued at rupees 31,680 crores in 2019, with the unorganized sector accounting for around 90% of it. The organized paneer market is estimated to grow at a CAGR of around 21.6% during 2020 to 2025. In organized retail, paneer is either sold in plastic packs or in cans by brands like Ajanta and Amul. Loose or khula paneer sells for rupees 60 to 70 per 250 grams and pack paneer at rupees 65 to 70 for 200 grams. Cans are sold at rupees 110 to 120 for 225 grams. The paneer packs are available at the company's own network of over 1800 milk booths in the Delhi NCR region. They are also sold via local general trade outlets, modern retail stores, and e-commerce platforms. Lumpy skin disease (LSD) is an infectious viral disease of the cattle and bovine animals. It is fast spreading in some districts of Vidarbha and Marathwada, creating panic amongst dairy farmers. The State Animal Husbandry Department so far confirmed 93,252 cases of the Capripox virus infections in the state. It was first detected in the states of Gadchiroli district in April and have been recorded in the state. The virus causes the development of stiff, round, cutaneous nodules of 2 to 5 cm in diameter on the skin of animals. Besides this, it causes fever, lesions in the mouth and reduced milk production. Maharashtra state has launched a vaccination program. The virus is not zoonotic and doesn't infect humans through consumption of milk or meat, though it affects the cow and buffalo. However, infection in the latter has been found to be minimal. The latest outbreak of the disease was detected in Mayurbhanj and Bhadrak in Odisha in November 2019. In January this year, cases were reported from Alappuzha, Kollam and Pathanamthitta districts of Kerala. A large number of cattle in several parts of Chittoor districts have contracted the lumpy skin disease. This is causing concern among the dairy farmers. The officials say that the infection has spread into the district from the neighboring districts of Tamil Nadu. It happened through migration of cattle and their disposal at cattle fairs. Global dairy prices have plummeted further down by 1% on September 2, 2020. The current prices for various dairy commodities are as follows. Skim milk powder gained around 2% to reach at rupees 200 per kg. Butter declined by 1.2% to reach at rupees 250 per kg. And AMF or ghee declined by 0.5% to reach at rupees 290 per kg. If we compare these prices with local prices, then global prices of ghee, butter at rupees 295 and rupees 250 are still lower than the Indian prices. However, the SMP price is rupees 200, which is slightly higher than the Indian quoted price. The industry is seeking an export subsidy of rupees 40 per kg from the government. The government doesn't seem to have enough resources at this moment to spare the funds or the export subsidy. The government might still help the industry to mobilize exports of dairy products in potential countries through their trade counselor offices.
Thanks for watching Dairy News 7x7 channel with news update from last 7 days. To continue receiving update from this channel, I, Kuldeep Sharma, request you to subscribe this channel and share and like the video, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.